Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. As always, thank you for your support, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get the notification when I upload the video. Today I'm making Velle Appam, which is a part of the Kerala cuisine. It's a bowl shaped crepe, soft in the center and crispy at the edges. So I'm making it the traditional way. So let's get started. I've taken 2 cups of rice, which I've soaked for a couple of hours. You could also use the rice flour, which is made specially for this purpose, which is available easily in the market. So you could pick up one of that if you don't want to grind. And then you can follow the same procedure. We would require some freshly grated coconut and some coconut milk. Now let's transfer everything into a jar and we'll grind it. The coconut milk. And the rest of the rice. Let's grind this. The batter is ready. We'll add in some salt. We have one more step before we set this aside. Let's do that. Into a pan, we'll add about half a cup of water and we'll add 1 ladle of the ground batter. I'm using a whisk to avoid lumps. This is ready. We'll just cool this before we add it to the batter. Now we'll pour this mixture into the batter. We'll give this a good mix and set it aside for about 8 hours. The 8-hour time period which I mentioned is dependent totally on the weather where you live. If it's hotter climate, then probably it will require lesser time. I'm just leaving it for about 8 hours. It's been a few hours and the batter is ready. Now to this we need to add in a tablespoon of sugar and some soda. But once you add the cooking soda, you have to use it immediately. So I've got some more time before I make my dinner. So I'll make a small portion now. Into this small portion, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Very little. You can avoid it if you want to. And a pinch of soda, cooking soda. Now let's make the appam. We'll heat up an appam pan. Low heat, absolutely low heat. We'll pour in a little bit of the batter. We need to swirl it like this. That's it. We'll cover it and cook until it is done. That will be about 2 to 3 minutes because the sides will come out. See, the edges have started coming out of the pan. It's ready. The appam is ready. It's got a nice lace-like pattern at the edges and it's slightly brown with a nice soft center.